Welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a very wonderful recipe, very tangy, very tasty, and what I can say, I am salivating, really, literally I am salivating. The recipe that I am going to show you all today, friends, it's a traditional recipe from Maharashtra, very famous recipe, that is Thecha. What is Thecha? The meaning of Thecha is kutna. Keep on smashing something, okay? Now, but in our normal neo kitchen houses, we really don't have that kutne wala thing. Really, we don't have. So, what to do? We are not going to have Thecha. Definitely, we are going to have Thecha, and I'll show you all how we are going to have Thecha. So the first thing first, I will be chopping the green chilies, which I have washed very nicely and dried with a kitchen towel. See, this chopping of green chilies can be done roughly, and when I have chopped all of them, here I will be heating a pan. To this I will add 1 teaspoonful of vegetable oil. You can add any oil of your choice, any vegetable oil of your choice. When the oil is nicely heated, to this I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start spluttering, the jeera actually starts spluttering, then I will be adding the cloves of garlic, whole garlic I have used, and the chopped green chilies. And after this I will be adding some peanuts which are not roasted. Now here I will be roasting. Some like to add less peanut and more chili, but I prefer more peanuts and less chili because I cannot tackle the flame. So you all can alter that according to your choice. The choice is again entirely yours, friends. And here in medium flame I will be frying or roasting them till the chili acquires white spots on them, and cloves of garlic acquire golden spots on them, and the peanuts change their color into a roasted form. Now I will allow it to cool. Well, friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe and press the small bell icon so that you get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. And secondly, one more thing, friend, what I wanted to show is that my Wonderchef mixie, I'm very excited about that because I wanted to buy this earlier, but somehow it didn't materialize. So in this puja, my brother Arindam Rana has given me as a gift, and a very coveted gift. I loved it. So this is the first day I have inaugurated it with Thecha. So this is my cute little Wonderchef Bullet mixie, which is really very useful in the kitchen. The first day when I used it, I can understand that it is really very useful gadget in your kitchen. Now those who are having it, they must be knowing how easily it can be used. Now it is cold. I will be adding the Thecha mix to the mixie, and I will give just 2 churns. Before that, I will be adding salt according to a taste. Here I have added 1 heaped teaspoonful of salt, that you adjust according to your taste. Now again I will give it a churn, as I told you all. Just 2 churns will be more than enough. And after that, I'll show you all the exact Thecha consistency it will acquire. I'll serve it and show you all, friends. It's a very coveted gift for me, and I can't express my excitement, rather, friends, because the Thecha has turned out very nice, very yummy, very tasty, and today I have inaugurated this gift.